morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your house. In the previous class, we had learned about words with many meanings and family and environment. Shall we recall it? What is very important in English? In English, the word is very important. Sentence which contains a group of words and makes a complete sense. Each word has many meanings. For example, the word run has 179 meanings. The word take has 127 meanings. The word break has 123 meanings. What are traits? Traits are characteristics for features passed from one generation to another. Some examples including height, skin and color for gender. Long tail or short tail, long ears or short ears for animals. What are learned behaviors? Learned behaviors are taught and developed through life experience. It is acquired through observations from a parents or any other persons. For example, by watching their mother duck, ducklings learn how to avoid from danger and know what is good to eat. Shall we move on to next lesson? Do you like maths? I think you like maths. What do you learn in maths? Algebra, geometry, graph, measurements, shapes, etc. Is it? Today we are going to learn lesson 4, shapes. Let's start our lesson. Many things are around us. Are all the things same shape? No. Is it? All are different shapes. What are shapes? A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface as opposed to other properties such as color, texture or material type. What are the different types of shapes? Circle, semicircle, oval, triangle, square, cube, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, sphere, cone, cylinder, etc.
Circle, semicircle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram.
What's a circle? A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges.
Circle. This is the circle. It has no sides.
What is a semicircle? A semicircle has two sides. One side is curved and the other side is straight. They have two corners. What is triangle? A flat geometric figure that has three sides and three angles.
Triangle. This is a triangle. It has three sides.
What is square? All four angles are equal to 90 degree along with 4 equal sides. This polygon has 4 lines of symmetry. Some famous squares from around the world are Times Square in New York, Trafalgar Square in London, and Tiananmen Square in Beijing.
Square. This is a square. It has 4 sides. Its all sides are equal.
What is cube? Cube has regular solid of 6 equal square sides.
Now look at this dice. It is a cube. It is made up of 6 squares.
What is rectangle? Rectangle have 2 sets of opposite sides that are equal and all 4 angles are 90 degree. 2 lines of symmetry are present.
Rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal.
Do you understand? Say once again. What are shapes? A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary or outer surface as opposed to other properties such as color, texture or material type. What are the different types of shapes? Circle, semicircle, oval, triangle, square, cube, rectangle, sphere, cone, cylinder, etc. Okay. Now, shall we do some exercise? Take page number 10 in your book. Choose words from the help box to fill in the blanks. First one, Erno Rubik invented a famous puzzle called the Rubik's Dash. The answer is cube. Number 2, Dash is a game in which you jump and hop over squares. The answer is hopscotch. Number 3, a Greek mathematician named Dash is called the father of geometry. The answer is Euclid. A dash is a shape that looks like a duff nut. The answer is torus. Number 5. Triangle shapes are often used in construction because of their great dash. The answer is strength. Number 6. A dash is a rectangle with a semicircle at each end. The answer is stadium. Number 7. The Great Dash of Giza is the largest in Egypt. The answer is pyramid. Number 8. A dash is an open public space in the center of a town or city. The answer is square. Shall I ask questions from this lesson? Name the famous puzzle invented by Erno Rubik. The answer is Rubik's Cube. In which game you jump and hop over squares? The answer is hopscotch. Who is called the father of geometry? Euclid is called the father of geometry. Which is the largest in Egypt? The answer is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Okay students, do you understand? Today's study portion is page number 10. Today's activity: draw the different shapes and color it. When you come to school for correction, bring this activity and GK book. Thank you students.